Kopogre gi mano, wayudo kanyo ni jatenda duond bura mano mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua okoni nitiere maling'ling' mano mabende piny owacho mano mamalo chano timo mar rocho chenrono mano mar ndiko jogo mabende luto ombulu mindiko manyien kod duol mar IEBC moloyo to kuondego kata gwengego mano ma kweth ma obalo kod piny owacho nitiere koda mbi. Ne oloso e sach nyasi mano mar yango jachung' e lemo mar gavana kod otiko mar DCP mano Mwaura kata John Mwaura kama bende Rigathi ne ojiwo rowere mago mag Gen Z mondo giwuog oko gindikre kaka Jolut Ombulu.
As we go towards the general election, William Ruto and his people, sensing defeat, have decided to have selective issuance of IDs. Areas perceived to be against William Ruto, our young people are being denied IDs. In Nakuru, communities that support William Ruto are being issued IDs within 2 or 3 days, and chiefs from those communities are collecting the IDs and taking them home to the young people. Communities perceived to be against William Ruto are taking between 3 to 4 months for their IDs to be processed. We want to call on William Ruto and the government to stop selective issuance of IDs. They should stop discrimination. All Kenyan children deserve IDs, whether they support or oppose William Ruto. And we are putting the Registrar of Persons on notice. If this discrimination does not stop, we shall request our young people, the Gen Zs, to occupy the registration centers, the Huduma centers, and your offices in Nairobi. I want to take this opportunity to appeal to our young people, the Gen Zs. The people of Kenya are looking upon you to liberate this country because you are fearless and you are tribeless, and you cannot be manipulated and bribed with money by William Ruto. I want to ask the Gen Zs, my sons and daughters, my grandchildren, Kenya, our motherland, looks upon you to save this country. You are the only vote that we know that cannot be compromised. I want to commend you for what you have done so far, creating awareness among the people of Kenya through the smartphone. But I want to appeal to you, my children, that the real transformation of this country will take place on the ballot box. And the tools of change that you need is the ID and the vote. I want to ask all the Gen Zs in the remaining 9 days to come out in millions and register as voters so that next year you can lead all of us because we trust you. We believe in you. You cannot be compromised. You are steadfast. You lead us into getting the real transformation of the Republic of Kenya by making William Ruto one term and getting new leadership in this country.